What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator, and here with my weekly Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. Now as you guys can see here, I have a cute little cactus, and that's a new item. I'm not going to tell you where it came from yet in this haul. It didn't unfortunately come from Dollar Tree, but it was a very affordable item. But this infinity scarf did come from Dollar Tree, and this will be my first time trying out one of their infinity scarves, and I liked it because it really has that southwestern feel to it, and I thought it looked pretty nice. I don't see any snags or anything like that. But you guys, Dollar Tree has been bringing a lot of cactus items into their stores lately. Unfortunately, I haven't found many, but I'm really hoping to find this really cute cactus tote. It's like a cloth tote that I've seen a couple of you haul. I'm hoping to find that. I am really looking forward to finding the new Jot stickers. They are gorgeous. They're like cactus and succulents in terrariums. I'm really hoping to find that. I did find the cactus erasers. Those are super cute. I'm happy about that. There's also a cactus picture frame that I've heard about but I haven't seen. And I did recently find the clear cactus stamps. So those are all cactus items that either I'm really happy I have or I can't wait to find. But in addition, I am looking for the Nemo and Cars bubble baths because they're jumbo sized. I'm also looking for the new larger sized washi, the really pretty Tropical Vibes shopping bag, and I'm hoping to find the Snyder's pretzels once again. Seems like we find them every spring and summer, and I really love stocking up on those. Okay, you guys, so let me just share with you what else I found this week. I did cross off my list one item this week, and that was the Amope or Amope foot care system. I don't really know how to pronounce that. It's not a big deal though. And you guys, I feel like I was really lucky because I actually found them in two different colors. I went to the first store and I only found them in blue. But then I went to my third store and I also found them in pink. So here's one of the blue ones. And it's called Petty Perfect. It's an electronic nail care system. And it comes with a file, a buff, and a shine. It says 1 nail care unit with 3 refills, plus a AA battery. So I actually got a lot of these. I don't remember exactly how many I got, but I got a lot because I want to share these with some family members. I also want to share these with some friends. I think it's really just such a really nice deal. And I have to tell you guys, these are $5 each in Five Below. These normally retail for $5. So us finding them at Dollar Tree is just such a great deal. A really, really great deal. I haven't tried mine yet. My nails are in really bad shape. So I was thinking about trying them out in today's video, but I went ahead and just painted my nails anyway. So I'm sure someone will get to testing this out probably before I do, but I really wanted to test it out for you guys and let you know how well it works. For $1, it's definitely worth a try. Here's a polish that I got actually 2 weeks ago. I forgot to share it with you guys. This is number 36 by LA Colors. And it really looks pretty. If you turn the bottle, it has sort of a blue shift to it. It just reminds me sort of like a galaxy color. And it's really, really pretty. Let's see if it has a name. It's called Just Radiant. So I figured I'd give this a try. Birdie might want to try it too because she really loves purple. For the first time ever, out of all the years of shopping at Dollar Tree, I was finally lucky enough to find the jewel pens. Now I have to say, they are much prettier in person. I think they're just so gorgeous. I really love the setting here. But the pen itself feels super, super cheap. And I don't really know how well they write. I mean, these are just more so for looks, but they are super, super pretty. We have this green one. And then next we have this pink one, and it's kind of done in a rose gold. And the stone is just so pretty. And then we have another silver one, and the stone is a really light purple. I think these are so gorgeous. Please let me know down in the comments if there are any other color options, because these are the only three that I saw. And even though I don't need any pens, it's really rare that you find a pen as pretty as this. And so I just wanted to treat myself, and I had to get all three. Next, I found these Sure Fresh mini reusable containers with lids. You get 10 containers, and I thought these would be really, really good for little tiny snacks, you know, like almonds, fruit, candy, like a small amount of pretzels or whatever. Anyways, I thought they were really cute. Of course, we can use them for a multitude of other things as well. These are freezer safe, and these are also BPA free. If you are into making pesto, once basil starts growing or it becomes summertime, you can make little mini pestos and put them in the freezer, like a single serving of pesto, maybe for some pasta. Or you could do like some mini frozen fruit for smoothies. I really love these little containers, and I feel like I don't see them very often, so when I do, I like to buy a pack. In one of the impulse sections of one of the stores I went to, they had the full display of these Anna Davis Crown Jewels notepads. So I picked up this one. It says Find Beauty Every Day, and it has a little peacock. That's the back. And then this one says Love Makes the World Go Round. And this little closure is magnetized, so you can lift it up and then it'll just stay nice and secure with its little mini magnet. I like this one. I really like the rose gold and the floral on top of the gray. It says, today is going to be really great. So pretty. Here's the back. And we get 75 sheets. And then this one I thought was so pretty. It says Strong Mind, Sweet Soul. I love that we can find really cute little gifts that we can share with our friends and our family. You know, little cute things we can put in our own purse or our own bag that'll make us smile, that looks cute and pretty. And, you know, it's nice to just have pretty things in your life. I wanted to share these with you guys because these are such a great quality freezer bag. They are truly comparable to Ziploc, and you get 15 bags in a box. I love getting them for 99 cents with the coupon in Walgreens, and it seems like they're always putting these on sale. So if you guys haven't tried this brand and you've been sticking with Dollar Tree's freezer bags, I mean, those are super thin and the zipper is hard to get, and you guys want to upgrade but you don't want to pay any more money, this is where you guys should go next. And these are also BPA free. They're gallon size. You guys will not be disappointed. Head over to Walgreens. It seems like at least once a month they put these on sale. Just remember to use your coupon and you can get them for 99 cents each. I picked up 2 of these pink Petty Perfects because I was like, oh wow, they have pink. I would have loved to have all of them in pink instead of blue, but I bought a bunch at one store first, and then I went to the third store and I saw the pink and I was like, oh, I love the pink. It's so cute. But you guys, at 2 of the stores, they didn't have all these other things. But then at the new store I went to, they had even more. They actually had the nail care head refills. You get one of each, 1 file, 1 buff, and 1 shine. And they were fully stocked up. So I got 2 packs of those. And then guess what? They even have the nail care oil. Now for cuticle oil, I think that's a really great price. I haven't tried it yet. So I just want to look on the back here, you guys, and it says it has a 7-oil complex. You can moisturize your fingernails and your toenails. It just says brush the vitamin oil onto nails and cuticles daily. And I am definitely a fan of nail care oil or cuticle oil. This is my one here that I've been using for years. As you guys can see, it's almost out. It's solar oil, and it has that nice kind of almond, like cherry almond scent. And as you guys can see, it's almost gone. And then this is my most recent one that I bought. This is California Mango, and it even has a little leaf in there. And this is a really nice oil as well. If you don't want to brush it on, you can use this option. This is kind of a squeeze on. You just take off the cap and you could squeeze it on. And this was recommended by Young, Wild, and Polished. I love to watch her channel. She gives really great and honest beauty recommendations, nail recommendations, makeup recommendations. So I've been enjoying this California Mango. So this is definitely going to be a new cuticle oil for me, but I figured for $1, why not try it? Hopefully it smells good. Actually, let's go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like and see what it feels like. And that way I can let you guys know. Maybe it smells horrible. Maybe it smells great. Let's see here. I got a squeaky cat out here. Birdy's about to take Gem outside. Gem usually makes a squeaky appearance in at least one of my videos each week. Again, here's what it looks like out of the package. It's 0.2 fluid ounces, which is 7.5 milliliters. All right, I'm going to try it out real quick. Let's see what we got. And I don't mind putting my cuticle oil on messily, because who really cares, right? Put it on messily, rub it into the rest of your fingernails, your fingers, your hands. Okay, I'm going to put it on here for a minute. Also, if you've done a quick nail polish job like I just did, you can also use that cuticle oil to kind of wipe off the excess if you've gotten a little bit on your skin. It feels really nice. It feels kind of lightweight. Ooh, it smells really nice. It smells like, what is that smell? It smells so familiar, you guys. I just can't place it. It kind of smells like a perfume or a soap or something. You know what? It kind of smells like soft soap. Like the original soft soap. You know, the soap that looks kind of like bluish, like a neon blue clear color? I'm going to say that's what it smells most like. Yeah, I like it. Feels good. I think you guys will like it too. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me. All I have left is empty bags, so that means we've made it to the end of yet another Dollar Tree haul. I really hope you guys liked my haul. If you did, please show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments what's on your Dollar Tree wish list for the week. You guys know I have lots of cactus items on my wish list. And if you guys haven't joined my YouTube family, please go ahead and hit that little button to subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.